Neutrality is a myth. A nation will have its god or gods, and people will have their god or gods. And you can see today how people regard that which is divine by what they do in crisis. What happens when the cities burn? What happens when hurricanes come? What happens whenever there's violence in the street? They cry out to their gods. Where's the government? Where's our governor? What's the president going to do about this? And statism is a very serious idolatry that is just prevalent in our day. So Christians need to guard against being statists, and we need to guard against this idea that somehow what we need is just a neutral state, that we need a public square that is not Christian, not Muslim, not Buddhist. It is just secular. Secularism is a religion. And what we have seen today is secularism on steroids that has just unmasked itself into full paganism. So it's not a question of whether there will be a religious foundation to a nation's way of living, but which religious foundation that will be. And those of us who know the living God ought to want the living God to be known and honored as God held in Old Testament time pagan nations accountable, so he holds America accountable today. And we need to recognize that, call upon our neighbors to bow the knee to Jesus, call upon our magistrates to make decisions and to rule in the way of righteousness, because one day they will stand to give an account before the God who established them as civil authorities in this land.